Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a video on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the plus icon down below, which is the third option, and after that click on this camera button at the top of the screen. After that you should tap on the video button in the middle of the screen and click on this red button down below. And now your video is being recorded, so when you are done, click on the pause button. And now your video is being recorded, so when you are done, click on the pause button. And now your video is being recorded, so when you are see your created video. And when you are done with it, you just tap on the save button down below in the left side corner of the screen, then click on the OK button. So in order to save this picture or video to your gallery, you need to allow the app to have access to your gallery, so tap on OK. You will be directed to your phone settings, or you need to go there and then you can save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.